Hi everyone! This is a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to handle exceptions in Java programming. Exception handling is an important part of any programming language as it helps to handle any errors or exceptions that may occur while running a program. In this tutorial, we will learn about the basic concepts of exception handling in Java and how to use try-catch blocks to catch and handle exceptions. So let's get started. Let's start with an example of code that throws an exception. In this example, if we run this code as it is, the program will crash and the exception will be displayed on the console. To prevent this from happening, we use a try-catch block to catch the exception and handle it gracefully. Here is an example of a try-catch block in action. In this code, we have enclosed the problematic code inside a try block, and we catch the exception using a catch block. Inside the catch block, we print an error message to the console instead of letting the program crash. This is a simple example, but in more complex programs, exception handling becomes more important. Thanks for watching and happy coding!